Good morning, students. Already we have seen about location and climate of Delhi and then culture and traditions of Delhi. Now, today we are going to see about transport of Delhi and tourist places of Delhi and then government offices. First one is transport of Delhi. What is transport? Movement of humans, animals and goods from one location to another is called a transport. Mode of transport including land, air and water. Do you know what kind of transport we are using in Tamil Nadu? Do you know that? Land transport and water transport and then air transport. Okay. Land transportation is the process by which land travels from one place to another. For example, bus and train. Next one is water transport. Water transport is the journey by water from one place to another place. For example, ship and boat. The next one is air transport. Air transportation is process by which air travels from one place to another. For example, aeroplane and then helicopter, etc. In Delhi, they are used two types of transport system. One is land transport and then another one is air transport. Delhi has good public transport system. It has buses, rickshaws, auto rickshaws and taxis. New Delhi railway station is the one of the main railway station in Delhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi is one of the largest airport of the world. It has an efficient metro service which transport around 1.5 million travelers in a day. Okay, the next one is tourist places of Delhi. What is tourism? Tourism is travel for pleasure. Do you know which is the most popular tourist destination in Tamil Nadu? Chennai, Mahabalipuram, Kanyakumari, Kodaikanal, Ooty, etc. It's the same. There are many tourist attractions located in New Delhi, the capital of India. Okay, we will see. India Gate. The India Gate is a war memorial located astride the Rajpath on the eastern edge of the ceremonial axis of New Delhi, formerly called a Kingsway. Lotus Temple. This is also located in New Delhi, east of Nehru Place. This temple built in the shape of lotus flower. Jama Masjid. Jama Masjid is a large mosque in India. It was built by Shah Jahan, the great mosque of Old Delhi. Next to tourist places, Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar. The Qutub Minar is a victory tower. The height of Qutub Minar 72.5 meter. It is built by Indo-Islamic architecture. Red Fort. The Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi. It is the main residence of the Mughal emperors. It was built by Shah Jahan. The next one is Jantar Mantar. Jantar Mantar was built by Maharaja Jai Singh of Jaipur in 1724. Some more tourist places are there. Humayun Tomb, Birla Mandir, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib, Akshardham Temple, St. James Church, etc. The next topic is government offices. What is government? Government means they make laws and plans to take care of the health, happiness and safety of the people. Officers are needed to do all this and those officers are called government officers. Most of the major offices of the Government of India are situated in New Delhi. Indian Parliament and the Supreme Court of India are also located in New Delhi. The President and Prime Minister of India resides in New Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India. Thank you, students.